Here's how to fix procedure entry point could not be located error. You may encounter this message when trying to open an application or launch a game, but there are a couple of simple steps you can try to resolve it. First, open an internet browser and search for Visual C++ Redistributable. From the search results, open the official Microsoft website. Scroll down until you find the Visual Studio version section, and then select the latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable. You'll see several different download options available. For this fix, select the x64 download option. The installer should now start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and launch the file you just downloaded. You can now follow the installation steps, accept the terms and conditions, and then click Install. Give the installer a few moments to complete the process and install the required files on your system. Once the installation has finished, restart your computer. After your computer has restarted, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt window opens, enter the following command: sfc/scan now, and then press Enter. This command will scan your computer for corrupted or damaged system files. You'll need to wait while the verification process runs until it reaches 100%. Once the scan has finished, you can close the command prompt window. Now try opening the application or game that was previously showing the error. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.